into IELTS. First, let's understand what is IELTS. So IELTS basically stands for International English Language Testing Systems. So here you will be tested on your English language proficiency. So this is an English proficiency test. How will you be tested on your English proficiency? So you will be evaluated your English based on your receptive and productive skills. So what are receptive and productive skills? So the receptive, we know the receptive organs like ear, so we hear, therefore the receptive skills could be listening and the other one could be reading through your eyes. So the receptive skills are listening and reading, and the productive skills, so what we produce. So I'm producing a speech right now through my mouth, so this is speaking. And also I could write using my hand, that is also a productive skill, so that's writing. So the productive skills are writing and speaking. Now combining these four, listening, reading, writing and speaking, are parts of IELTS exam. And there are two categories of IELTS exam. One is general, another is academic. So who sits for a general exam and who sits for academic? When you are planning for migration to an English speaking country or immigrating to an English speaking country, you usually set for general examination. And for academic, you sit for academic examination when you are going for study purpose, basically to study undergraduate or postgraduate levels. And this is not always for English speaking countries, because most countries teach in English. So even if you're aiming for Korea, South Korea or China, which are not English speaking countries at all, they also require IELTS because the medium of instruction there is in English.